So I just stepped in the front door after getting back from Japan, and look what was here waiting for me. This is 2 weeks worth of mail, and probably the most I've ever had at one time. Normally I'd make unboxings over on my Instagram stories, but I know I've got heaps of 360 and VR gadgets in these boxes because I know there's going to be some stuff that you guys go, ooh, ah, over. So let's get into it. Package number 1. Ooh, I'm excited. This is something I discovered when I was in Japan. Someone at the conference was using this really, really long selfie stick. It was like ridiculously long. And I went straight onto Amazon and bought myself one. And the brand is called Telesin. Check out this selfie stick. It's carbon fiber and it extends to about 3 meters long. Oh wow, I'm so excited right now. Oh my God, I can't even fit this in the shot. I don't even know how to show you guys because it's so big and it won't fit in my shot. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna keep going, no, this ain't gonna work. All right, I'll have to go outside and show you. And the cool thing is it folds down to something this portable. I'm so excited by this gadget. I posted a tiny planet in Japan that I shot with this thing and I got up so high with my GoPro Fusion. I know this is gonna be awesome for traveling and getting super high up perspectives without needing a drone. Parcel 2. There. Ooh. Oh wow, okay, cool. All right, any guesses what this might be? Oh, who's that? Recognize that face? That's me. So this is called Snap Spheres, and it's a sphere of a 360 photo. All the pieces have been jumbled up, but when I assemble these properly, it's going to turn into a full sphere of one of my 360 photos that I shot on MeSphere. So this could potentially prove, oh, cool. It's magnetic, so they just stick together instantly. So awesome. So this could prove to be a good way of printing out 360 photos. Maybe. It's not that affordable yet. I'll be sure to make a video about it soon and let you guys know my thoughts. It's the Life in 360 360 beanie. How cool am I gonna look now? Yeah, what's up, gangster? Some new 360 hats. Here is the black one and blue. There we go, looking cool. Ooh, now this one I've really been looking forward to. So this, right here, is a backpack from GoPro. It's called the Seeker and it was built to hold cameras. So at the very top of it, you have a pouch where you can put 5 different cameras. That's gonna be so handy for when I'm walking around with my 12 cameras. Storage for cables and memory cards and stuff like that. There's also camera mounts all over this bag. You can put a camera there, you can put a camera there, you can put a camera on the side. It comes with a chest mount that acts kind of like a webbing between the 2 straps, so you can fix the camera right on your chest there and it sees forward. I think this would be handy for shooting hyperlapses hands-free and just mounting 360 cameras to your body. It also has some mounts here on the side, so you can fix a selfie stick to it, totally extend it and have a really high up perspective as you're walking. I've really been looking forward to getting this bag, so I'm a very happy boy. It's nice and light and well built, but it's going to have my back, pun intended. This is the Oculus Go, and this is the headset everyone in the 360 and VR communities have been talking about as the next amazing headset. It's got a really high resolution screen inside, and you can connect to thousands of apps and games and view back your 360 footage in high resolution. I'm still not a massive fan of headsets, and I much prefer viewing my content on mobile or computer, but from what my friends have told me, this really is going to bridge the gap between headsets and viewing on mobile a little bit. And headsets haven't really become a thing because of the price. It's almost as expensive as buying a camera. And that's just too much. Most people want to be able to view in seconds and not have to pay to do it, which is why viewing technology needs to be affordable and awesome. So I will let you guys know my thoughts on Oculus Go as soon as I get a spare second. Next I have some gear from Think Tank, who you guys know are my favorite brand for camera storage. I thought this would be perfect for a 360 camera and its basic accessories. So this is a small little pouch with a few zippers, where you could put a camera in this pouch and all of its accessories in this pouch, and that folds up to be really small. Think Tank know how to design camera storage, so looking forward to testing this thing out. Also, I have a laptop case. Just got myself a new MacBook Pro, and I need something. Oh shit, I think I just scratched it. Oop. And I need a quality laptop bag to store it. This thing has a whole bunch of pockets, so you can include the charger and other accessories. So looking forward to using that. This has been Ben's Unboxings. I'll put links to everything down in the description if you liked any of this stuff. Now I gotta go edit some videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bam!